Hi, my dear student. Assalamu alaikum. Very good evening to you. Welcome to all of you in your GK class. And today we are going to read about transportation, means of transport. There are three types of transport: water, air, and land transport.
Means of transport. There are mainly three means of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transport. It's a means of transportation that moves on land. As land transport is cheaper, it's the most common means of transporting people and goods to different places. Few examples are car, bicycle, auto rickshaw, bus, truck, motorcycle, scooter, and train. Air transport. It's a means of transportation that moves in the air. Air transport can move people and goods to different places very quickly. However, it is expensive as compared to land and water travel, such as aeroplane, helicopter, glider, and hot air balloon. Water transport. It's a means of transportation that moves on water. Water transport is slow as compared to land and air travel. People use water travel for short distances while transporting huge quantities of goods to faraway places, such as boat, ship, yacht, and submarine. Use of animals as a means of transportation. In olden days, animals were used as a means of transport, such as bullock cart and horse cart. In desert, camel were used as a transport, and donkey was also used to carry people and goods.
Let's open your book page number 51. On this page you can see land vehicles, and these are metro, auto rickshaw, bus, car, van, taxi, and bicycle, scooter, bike. So these are land vehicles, land transport. ये सारी कौन सी हैं? Land transport, जो कि ज़मीन पे मूव करती हैं. On the next page you can see water vehicles, water transport. Color to complete the pictures. Yacht and ship is here for you. Boat is also here. You have to color this shape. Let's learn about more way to travel by water. So these are boat and yacht. On next page you can see air vehicles like helicopter, aeroplane is here. You have to join the dot and make complete aeroplane and then color it. Next you can see helicopter is here. Helicopter is also air vehicle, so you have to color it. Your coloring should be very neat and clean. And on the last page, here is assessment for you. You have to circle the vehicles that move on the road. In first block, you have to circle that move on the road. That one is car, scooter and van. Next one, you have to circle the vehicles that move on water. That one is ship and boat and yacht. And in the third question, you have to circle the vehicles that move in the air, जो कि हवा में move करते हैं. These are aeroplane and helicopter. So you have to circle these both and complete your work. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.